In this video, I want to share with you 10 free 420 prompts and 100 420 crossover niche ideas that you can use for your merch on demand business, all for free. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 10 free 420 prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Monday, March 24th, 5:53 a.m. Already sitting at 6 sales, $18 in royalties. But yesterday I had a really good day, did 60 sales and $151 in royalties. And the day before that I did 40 sales, $150, $15 in royalties. So things have been going well, but that's going to put me at 1,001 sales for the month of March and $1,827 in royalties. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like family pics, gym pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. All right, so we got 420 coming up in April. It's on April 20th. This is a big niche that sells well every year. If you don't know what 420 is, it's basically a day to celebrate smoking marijuana. It actually falls on Easter this year. That's why we're already seeing cross niche ideas mashing up Easter with marijuana. Now, if you want, you can go to my PayHip shop. The link is in the description. You can get those 10 marijuana prompts for free. You can also download the Word file for 100 marijuana crossover t-shirt ideas, which I'll go over after I talk about the prompts. I also have a sale, 50% off sale for all my prompts on my PayHip shop. So if you want, you can come up here and check out some other holiday prompts, monthly prompts, wall art prompts if you're interested. But let's go over to Ideogram and take a look at those prompts that I have here. So here we got I'm a little high maintenance. This is a funny one, especially if you have a girlfriend like mine that's high maintenance. Here we got flower girl. This is one for girls that like to smoke weed. Here we got wanna smoke alpaca bowl. That's a funny one. Play on words where we're taking alpacas or llamas and crossing each with marijuana. World's dopest grandma. I think this was the best one. Just turned out really clean. I like how they did the outline of the white on the marijuana leaf. One thing to take note of is that a lot of the best sellers that I was seeing for this, they were taking marijuana and crossing shit with like certain demographics, like grandma, grandpa, mom, dad, things like that. Hanging with my buds. This is another funny one. Happiness does grow on trees. A lot of people say happiness doesn't grow on trees or money doesn't grow on trees. Here we got a day without weed is like, just kidding, I have no idea. This is a very popular saying where you can just take almost any niche and say a day without, pop in the niche. It's like ... just kidding, I have no idea. I've seen this work well, especially with like food. Weed dad, like a regular dad, only way higher. So this is a funny one. Another popular design phrase that we've seen sell very well over the years. And then we have plant manager. So this is a profession one, play on words. And then the last one, the 10th one, is sorry for my bluntness. That's just how I roll. So these are the 10 prompts that you can download for free and use for merch on demand or any other print on demand platform. Now I want to share with you the 100 crossover niche ideas that you can use for merch on demand for marijuana. Because if you're like me, not too creative, you have a hard time coming up with ideas, this is a great tool or GPT that I created. It's available on my SKOOL community. But basically what you can do is you can come to this GPT right here and you can pop in any niche. So we're going to go with marijuana because that's the one that we're talking about. And what it does, it creates distinctive t-shirt design ideas by combining user selected niches with 100 predefined niches. Basically, it takes a niche and cross niches it with 100 evergreen niches. So let's just go ahead and type in that niche, hit enter. And let's see what it comes up with, because if you've been on merch on demand, you know that one of the best strategies is to cross niche, take a niche, cross niche with another. So right here it's going to talk about how this is a great niche, and then it's going to start to give us ideas. So right here it starts off, it does it by category. So here we got the health and wellness category. So for healthcare, you can do one that says prescribed by nature with a green cross morphing into a cannabis leaf with a chill doctor giving a thumbs up. Here we got one cross niche with marijuana and yoga. Namaste. So that's actually a pretty good idea right there. A stoned yogi floating mid-lotus pose with pot smoke making mandala patterns. What you can do is you can actually just take these and you can pop them into ChatGPT, ask you to give it a prompt. You can actually ask this GPT right here to give you a prompt and then put it into Ideogram. Weightlifting, lift high, stay higher, dumbbells shaped like blunts with a ripped cannabis bud curling them. So I have to admit, the GPT is actually pretty creative, and it knows not to use anything that's trademarked. It knows what the terms of service are as well for merch on demand. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next category, which is family and relationships. So graduation, high school graduate, literally, cap and gown over a smiling joint. Let's see if we can find another one. Retirement, retired and re-inspired by weed, hammock, and palm trees, and a joint equals paradise. Birthday, another year higher, candles replaced with joints on a birthday cake. Like, I would have never thought about this stuff, but this GPT does that thinking, does the creativity for me, which is kind of weird because it's it's like a robot. It's more creative than me. But here we got education and knowledge, school, straight A's and THC, backpack, books, and a sneaky little stash. Let's see if we can find some other ones. Science says weed is dope. Periodic table, style elements spelling out cannabis. Oh, that's a really good idea. We've seen that design style. The design style sell well. Let's take a look at the next category, careers and professions. Art and creativity. So art, smoke is my brush, sky is my canva, puff clouds forming abstract art. And then after it gets to 40, it asks you if you want to keep going. Let's actually just go ahead and take a look at the Word file. So this is the Word file right here that you can download for free in my PayHip shop right here. This one, let's go back and take a look at that, see if we can find some other ones. So food and drink, wake and bake blend, beer, hops and herbs, pairing guide, barbecue, smoke ribs, smoke blunts, hobbies and interests, video game. So loading, you're too high to respond, poker, gambling, high stakes only, weed and winnings, camping, campfire, kush and constellations, fishing, cast lines and light joints. So you can see it's giving us some really good ideas here that we might not have thought of. Dinosaurs, Jurassic Spark, that's a funny one. Anime, Leaf Village Stoner. Here we got social and political topics. So we all know politics is a big topic right now with how divided the states is. So make America baked again. That's a funny one. Patriotism. But you can see here just a lot of good ideas. I always like showing these paranormal ones because Bigfoot and aliens are such a big seller. So Bigfoot smokes big blunts. Aliens abduct me. I brought weed. Okay, that's hilarious. That's got to be the best one right there. So, those alien designs where you have them like taking the person up into the, space station or spaceship. You can do that, like aliens abduct me. I brought weed. That's really funny. Haunted and high SF. Travel vacations and then some miscellaneous ones. I like this one, blazed and bearded. This is actually a pretty good niche, the beard niche. I got a couple good sellers in this niche right here. Makeup, smoking, hot and high. So if you want, you can go ahead and download this to get some ideas because 420 is a big niche that sells every year. It's coming up. It's cross niche with April. And again, you can go ahead and you can download it for free on my PayHip shop right here. And since I thought that alien design phrase was so funny, I figured we would just go ahead and take a look at my GPT for keywords to get a good listing. So if you come here and just click on this one right here, merch keywords, this is a merch keyword listing that I created. It generates optimized Amazon merch listings with SEO rich keywords. So we can just go ahead and just type that niche in right here, and it will give us a title, bullet 1, bullet 2, and a reloaded description, like it says here, with really rich SEO keywords. So let's see what it gives us here. It also knows what the terms of service are for merch on demand. It also used not to use anything that is trademarked. So great, this design sounds like it's playing into a stoner humor niche with alien abduction themes. You can see how smart it is. And so right here, it's going to give us it's going to give us 5 title suggestions. So we can pick any one from these. Usually I just use the first one. All right, so abduct me, I brought weed, alien meme. But then here we're going to get a brand name. And then here's the bullet 1. This hilarious alien abduction design features the bold phrase, abduct me, I brought weed, perfect for stoner, space lovers, and anyone into trippy humor. A great choice for fans of USO 420 jokes and out of this world vibes. You can see it's got a lot of SEO just in that first bullet point. Then it keeps going to the second bullet point. Perfect those who vibe with alien conspiracies, sci-fi laughs, and smoking culture. A viral meme style design that's ideal for parties, festivals, or chilling under the stars with fellow believers and cosmic thinkers. Then it keeps going. It's going to give us a nice description here. Oh, look at this, 3 paragraphs. So I won't read it all, but you can just see it's just, has a lot of SEO, UFO enthusiasts, space and smoke. Let's see what else we have here. Sci-fi, fans of pulp culture, late night theories, So again, and if you want, you can actually just, type in here, give me some more like marijuana related keywords, and then we'll go ahead and, add another paragraph to this. So another really cool GPT, only offered in my SKOOL community. But I thought I would just share that with you because that was a pretty good one. Now I want to share with you my SKOOL community. So if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically a paid Facebook group on steroids. So if you're struggling to get sales on merch on demand, can't really figure out how this thing works, I was in the same boat as you. Here you can see these are my all-time stats right here. All-time stats is when I started in 2017. I've been doing this for about 8 years now. You can see for many years I was just kind of like an average merch on demand seller. I was always doing right around $500 a month. This is like basically, you'll see like 500, 600, 400. I'd only really do well during like Christmas time right here. And then I did figure merch out. And when I say that, people ask me like, well, what do you mean you figured merch out? It's basically I figured out what niches to sell in. I took those niches and I combined them with the correct design phrases and styles, and you can see here my sales just absolutely exploded. So for like many years, average seller, and then boom, it just exploded. And now I'm doing $2,000 to $3,000 a month here. I always like this graph. It's just pretty cool here. Go to the royalties, same thing, 2,000, 2,500, 2,800, 3,000. It did kind of dip down in December here, but now I'm crawling back up. Probably going to do somewhere around 25, 2,700 this month. And so basically, I figured out what niches to get in, and that's one of the reasons why I started my SKOOL community right here, because what I do here on I called it Merch on Demand, a daily niche vault, because basically every day I'm giving you niches and prompts. So this is what you get. You get daily profitable niches, trending and evergreen. So it's 4 niches a day, 2 trending, 2 evergreen. Some people just want trending, some people just want evergreen. So I do both to try and make everybody happy. And then those niches also come with daily prompts that you can use for ideogram. All right. And people seem to really be liking them. Sometimes they're like, like I said, trending, sometimes they're evergreen, but then you also get access to all of my GPTs. I showed you 2 of them right here. So if you come here to the classroom section, this is all like the extra content that you get. So it's basically like a course right here. So you got my A to Z prompt generation, how to write listings, 3 design styles. I actually give you my PSD files and PNG files for my 3 best design styles for evergreen niches, how to master merch ads, how to protect your account. Here are like 30 proven animal phrases, 30 proven food phrases. Then I'm doing these 100 prompts for April, and for May, I'm gonna do this for every month of the year. And then here are all my GPTs. So this is the SEO merch lister one. This is one for prompts if you want to like get different prompts. Here we got keywords for your ads. This is the crossover one that I talked about. And then I'm slowly making these GPTs for certain niches. So this is for like the Christian faith niche. This is the teacher niche. I'm going to make another one this week for either aliens or military. Here's some bonuses you get just for signing up. So just for signing up, you get 1,000 evergreen niches. You also get 500 evergreen prompts just for signing up. And then the more you like engage, comment, like, share, post, you get points. And the more points you get, you level up, and you get all of these prompts for specific holidays. So like St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras, Thanksgiving, Halloween, things like that. And it's also, and then we also do once a month mastermind group. So this Friday, we got a mastermind coming up. It's for an hour long. So if you want, you can join on that. But it's also just a really good, community. SKOOL is all about the community. That's what I really like about this platform. One of the problems with like Facebook groups that I found is that, you post a question, but everybody gives you like a smart ass response. And sometimes people are just like straight up rude, not even really nice. It's not about that here. This is a place to like uplift you, help you, transform you and reach your merch on demand goals. Nobody's going to be like talking trash to you. Everybody's very positive, wants to help you. We're sharing, we're helping. It's a positive community, where everybody's trying to just basically reach their Amazon goals. And I've actually been getting some pretty good, I have one student that's been getting some really good results. Let me go ahead and share with you that. So here we are in the community section under the your wins and accountability. And this member right here, Heisen, he had a $200 day the other day. He's actually doing better than me. So like right here, we're going to see, this is from Merch Rex, I believe. So like you see 205 royalties in one day. So kudos to him. Looks like he didn't even have any ad spend either, just organic sales. He had a $100 day the other day as well. So some of the students here, some of the members in this community are doing very well. So if you're interested, you can join or sign up. It's only 80 cents a day or $24 a month, and you can cancel at any time. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.